Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and I got this VOYEE wireless controller set. It's supposed to be 2 wireless controllers in here. I got it for the PS3. I bought it off Amazon. It had really good reviews. So this is just an unboxing about it. So we're going to open it up, see what we get. I just got it, like I said, a couple hours ago, and we're going to see what goes on here. So let's see what we got. Oh, give me my hat. No, why? Who cares? How much editing do you think I do here? My Glenn Velvet Reviews hat. Okay. So let's open this up. See what we got in here. On the top comes the instruction manual. I don't know how long this could really be, honestly. Fully charge the controller before use. Connect it through the included cable, pressing the P3 button, and then the 4 indicators flash quickly. When the indicator stops flashing and the 1 and 3 indicators are always on, the pairing is successful. Unplug the charging cable and then control the PS3 controller. So it says you have to use the wireless controller to do it. I don't know if that's only the first time, but that's what it says in these instructions over here. So we'll see what that happens if you have to do it the first time or whatever. So these are the colors that I got. I got blue, as you could see. Comes with its own charging cord. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty nice. I mean, feels like it works pretty good. It feels like a normal controller. Yeah, I can't complain. So we're going to charge these up, obviously, before we use them. They are blinking, but because it's got to be hooked up with the charging port first. So it is blinking, but so there is some battery life in there. So that's what the blue one looks like, as you can see. Sorry, I can't turn all the lights on. My fish tank is turned off and the fish are asleep, so I can't turn all the lights on. But let's turn the other one on. Let's open up this one, see what the red one looks like. Comes with another cord. And then this is what the red one looks like. So yeah, this is what you can expect for the red one to look like. I mean, it feels kind of the same weight as the Sony. You know, I mean, maybe a little bit lighter. You know, maybe they use cheaper plastic, who knows. But it feels a little bit lighter, but it still works. I think it should work fine. We're going to plug these in and get these things charged and see what they look like. So this is what it's called, the VOYEE, I guess. VOYEE, yeah. And this is what the colors look like right here of the blue and the red one that we got. And this is the charging cable. Let me measure and tell you how long the charging cable is. Wow, that's long. So let me get the measuring tape, but I'm pretty sure that's like long. Alright, let's see how long this thing is, because it seems pretty damn long. Let's see, ready? It is a little over 5 feet. A little over 5 feet in length, okay? Just to let you know. So it is pretty long. Not exact, it's a little over 5 feet. Maybe 5'4", 5'6", I don't know, something like that. So yeah, that's what you can expect to get in the charging, with the charging cord, okay? So, that's it for Glenn Velvet Reviews on the unboxing of the VOYEE wireless controller. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I review other stuff and other crap or whatever goes on here to help you guys out with your decision making on what you want to buy. And if by the time you guys see this video, it'll be a couple of weeks, so maybe I'll be using this, so I'll be able to give a better review. If you want to know more about it, you can just ask me down below and I'll know, like I said. Okay, so have a good one. Enjoy, everyone, and be safe. Bye-bye.